Prevent Windows 11 laptop from sleeping when lid is closed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can prevent our Windows 11 laptop from sleeping whenever the lid is closed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. By default, let's say you close your lid and then the laptop actually sleeps. You can actually change this by simply going to the search bar and then typing in choose what closing the lid does option. So type in choose what closing the lid does, right? So you can select, or you can just type in a word like lid over here. Then here you can see it says change what closing the lid does. You have to simply open this settings. Now from here you can see when I press the power button or when I press the sleep button, but when you close the lid, right? So when you close the lid, if you don't want it to sleep, you can select this option, select do nothing, and even when it is plugged in, you can select this option, select do nothing. So from here, next time if you go ahead and then actually even close the lid, then it will not get slept. So you can also go ahead and save the changes first. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.